Hello, Ben and Kaza, Group Parts Manager at Autocorner. Our experience with Abbott's was very professional. They were straight to the point. There was no lag time. If anything, they were ahead of schedule in every step of our move. We also requested what their opinion was and what we needed to make this happen, and they delivered on it. So when we decided to start moving the stock down, our warehouse manager and myself realised there was some racking that wasn't in the right area. We mentioned this to Calvin. Nothing was a drama. Fixed it within the week. Everything was sorted. Nothing was too hard for Calvin and Ian to resolve and work with us. I would definitely recommend Abbott for any racking requirements, that no matter if it was small or large. Definitely Calvin and Ian made a great team. Always communicated what they were doing, what was the next step, what they required of us. It was a pleasure to work with such a professional team.
So I'm the Group Kaizen Manager, which is essentially a fancy Japanese word for project manager. My role is to make incremental improvements to the business. What you're seeing here is the warehouse that represents a consolidation of our operations. Following the mining boom, Autocorner was left in a position where the sites of the business were spread across quite a large geographical area. We had, relating to pre-delivery, we had at least 3 sites relating to pre-delivery. We also had a parts warehouse, a parts retail centre at the dealership, and a pre-delivery site as well. And what you're seeing here is a consolidation of all those sites into one area. When we bought these buildings, we needed to refit them to consolidate our warehouse operations for our parts department. So we had an external consultant come in and map up our requirements, and we sent those requirements out to tender, and Abbott provided the best solution to our problems and our best storage solution. So Abbott were the ones we chose based on those requirements that were sent out. Like I said, our requirements were sent out to tender, and Abbott provided the most cost-effective price for us. And they were actually on time frames. They ended up delivering and installing about 3 weeks earlier than they projected, which was exceptional. I actually just turned up one day and the shelving was up. That was basically the extent of the involvement I had to have in the project. I would absolutely recommend Abbott. Yes, if you have a racking solution that you require, ours has turned out very well. Probably the best part and the easiest part of the project that we've had to manage.